Okay guys, I'm back with another pocket option 5-second strategy video, and in this video also we are going to use our same old parabolic SAR strategy, that is walking like crazy. And most people who are using this strategy is actually making profits. That's why I'm repeatedly making this video, so that I can make you understand that this strategy works, especially if you are fond of trading in 5-second time frame. And if you are new to my channel, then please do like this video. And if you want to copy my trades automatically into your Pocket Option account by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this video and also in the first comment below. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started, because this strategy is extremely simple. So I want you to watch this video properly till the end, so that you can understand exactly how you can make trades. So you just make, firstly you just make all of this currency pair favorite. Just make this here stars yellow, and it will appear at here all of this currency pair, and all of these have mostly 92% payout. And if you see 92% payout, just make it yellow and it will appear at here. Once you do this much, then just come to here and select these candles and make it S5. Okay, and if this timer is not enabled, okay, then I would suggest you to enable this timer, so that you can see this kind of timer at here: 5 second, 4 second, 3 second. Okay, once you do this much, then if it is flag at here, make it clock, and then select S5 as a time frame. Now what happens, your candle is also of 5 second time frame, and your trading time frame is also of 5 second. Okay, now once you do this much, then simply come here and then see where the parabolic SAR indicator is. Just click on that parabolic SAR indicator. Okay, and it will be implemented in this way. So let me cut this one. Okay, parabolic SAR, once parabolic SAR indicator is implemented at here, and now it's time for you to decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. So just let's say I have $1,000 at here. So what we'll do is we'll make 5 trades. Okay, $200 each in 5 second time frame. We are going to make $200 trades of 5 second and trading time frame. So once you do this much, okay, now you need to understand the basic thing about using this parabolic SAR. So let me see even a clear chart. Okay, so let's say, see, okay, let me find a good chart. Okay, this chart is good. Okay, so here you can see this is parabolic SAR dots. Okay, whenever these dots are forming above these candles, then that means it is a downtrend. Okay, and whenever these dots are forming below the candles, that means it is an uptrend. Now whenever the second dot forms above the candles, at that time you make trade by clicking on lower in 5 second time frame. Okay, similarly, whenever these dots form, okay, below the candles, at that time, whenever the second dot is formed, you make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, now the way you need to make the trade is, you just go to this first currency pair. Okay, you see if you are seeing that currently second dot is about to form or not. Okay, if it is, then wait for the entry. Okay, if not, then go to another chart. So here is also, you can see there is no any place where you can make the trade. So here you can see, here you could have made a trade and it could have gone profitable. So let's see more. Okay, here you can see, here you could have gone in loss. So now not all of your trades are going to be right. Okay, so keep on watching. I'll show you by making actual trades. Okay, but you need to understand this, so you can easily ignore these kind of charts. Okay, where there is no any probability of forming the second dot. And keep on searching for the, here you can see there was second dot. Okay, you could have made trade, and here you could have gone lost, but I made a trade a little bit after. Okay, in third candle like. Okay, and I made a profit. Now one more thing I want you to understand here. So I have told you that you need to make trade on the second dot. Okay, but you can test in your demo account if your third dot trades are going extremely right at the time when you are trading. Okay, by testing in demo account you can know that. Okay, and if it is working at that real time, then you can use that too. Okay, you don't need to bond yourself with any strategy that you are going to learn on YouTube or from me or anywhere else. Okay, you can create your own strategy that can actually help you to make money. Okay, by learning the strategy that we show you in this YouTube. So I have made a profit. As you can see here, one trade was profitable, but this was not the exact place where we need to make a trade. But again it made profit. Okay, that matters. So let's see for another place where we can make a trade on the second dot. You need to keep on searching in this way. Okay, just keep on seeing in different chart, and you can find some places where you can actually make the trade. Okay, so here you can see first dot was formed, second dot has formed, so I made a trade by clicking on higher. Okay, so as you can see here, I made a profit in this chart. Okay, so in this way, whenever the second dot is forming, at that exact time, if you start to make trades, okay, most probably you are going to make profit. Okay, yes, now sometime it doesn't work. Okay, and I also don't recommend you to trade on lower percentage. Okay, because you are trading in short time frame, like 5-second time frame. Okay, and if you make trades on this low payout, then it is going to be a high risk and low reward. Okay, but still here you can see second dot is going to form, so I'm going to make a trade by clicking on lower at here. Let's see what happens in this chart. Yes, we made a profit in this also. As you can see here, second dot had formed and I have made a trade. Now as you can see, three trades are already profitable. Okay, we can see now what I will make a concept at here is three trades is already profitable. I am already on profit of $552. Okay, even if I make one trade loss, then I will still be in profit of $300. Okay, but if I take more risk, okay, then I could increase this profit. Okay, with that mindset, now what I am going to do is I'm going to trade more, but whenever one loss happens, I will stop trading and I will still be in profit. Okay, in this way you can trade. Okay, so let's see for more entry. Okay, if there are any, and whenever one loss happens, then I will stop trading for that day. That is a basic concept that I'm giving you. Okay, you can create your own concept, your own theory, and start to trade in more profitable way. So let's see if we can find more entry. I hope this video is interesting. So if it is, then please do like this video and do comment below about what you think. Okay, and do share it with your friends. If you think it is going to be helpful for them. So let's see, we can find the second dot here. The signals you get from this kind of movement here, you can see I made a trade a little bit late. Okay, yeah, now I made a loss. Okay, here you can see I should have made in second, but I made in third. If second I would have made in second, then I could have made profit, I guess. So now still I am in profit. Okay, now I will not be greedy. Okay, and I can stop trading for that day. In this way you can start to trade by using this exact strategy and make fruitful money for yourself in upcoming days. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.